security and surety for the rent from your tenant is important. What are some tips?
As a commercial landlord renting out a premises, you could be, rent per month can be in excess of, 15 to 20 grand a month, and making sure that, should a tenant have financial difficulty or go into liquidation, that you have a proper security bond in the form of a bank guarantee or cash bond, as well as personal guarantees, ideally with a registration against some personal assets of the directors of the company, or if there's no directors, if you've got an individual that's renting the premises, potentially looking at putting security over their premises. But in higher leases and with larger premises, the damages can be substantial. Yeah. And so putting in a sufficient security in place is so important. I've seen situations where a tenant had to remove a roof to remove their equipment from the premises via crane because it couldn't go out the entry roller doors. That work alone was in the tens of thousands. And yes, we did have a substantial security, but the actual make good that the tenant spent on this premises was well and truly above the security. And it's all about getting that sort of balance and mix.